So we are coming to an end of our two-day Industrial Roadshow Cikarang, and we got some amazing results, amazing interaction, networking, and we all 9 members in the pavilion had some great time. Let's find out from them what was their experience.
We actually came here to explore the business opportunities possible over here for our products. And we found that the business being a hub of some of the big car manufacturer, EV manufacturer, we have plenty of opportunities are here, and there is a room for us to promote our machines over here. So in these last 2-3 days, we have done some good networking. We got very good support from the industrial associations, then from the Indian Embassy. So that is going to be helpful for us to grow our business over here. So we are looking forward for this. And lastly, I would like to thank Machine Maker because with their initiative and support, this show was very nicely done.
Today is the second day of our exhibition in Indonesia, and we have a fantastic experience. First day was very rocking and lot of people, many interaction. And this is the main point is India came first time. So we made one impression here, and I hope it will make a big change in coming future. And we meet lot of people. They are ready to accept and they are ready to welcome India in Indonesia. And it is very motivated to, and we will come again, and hopefully we will crack lot of opportunity here.
I'm very happy to be here in Cikarang Industrial Show, and it has been one of the very good experience for me coming here, and we got some good contacts made over here, and our team needs to follow up for them, and then hopefully we will be getting some business from here, which is our main motive of coming over here. So yeah, all the best, and thank you Hari and his team for making this possible. It was a very smooth, I have never had such a good experience. So this is one of the very good experience I have, I can say, with the team of Machine Maker.
We have been in part of this India Pavilion at Industrial Roadshow in Cikarang. This is the second day we are here, and we are experiencing a good turnout of people from different sector of industries. I'm very impressed with the turnout, the way the things are shaping up here. We have got a lot of inquiries for distributorship to represent us here, which is a good thing. And I urge all the Indian entrepreneurs who are in the MSME sectors to take this risk and come out of India and start representing us for for delivering the quality of services that we do in India as well. So I think you have to move, you have to come, and you have to explore and see what opens up for you.
The experience was really good. We got an opportunity to showcase our product in country like Indonesia, where automobile market is booming, and we participated with the alliance with the Machine Maker, which is also really good.
It is always be overwhelming experience if you are participating in any of the exhibitions. But this exhibition is a little special, I can put it on that way, because we are participating first time to promote India as a manufacturing donor sort of things. So it is not that we are doing this. This is not the Make in India Pavilion. This is Made in India Pavilion. So we are proud to say that being an Indian company, they are participating their product in Indonesia market, which is the growing market at the moment over the world.
It's our first time in Indonesia, and it's a truly amazing experience to be here at Cikarang Industrial Roadshow. I am really thankful to Machine Maker for organizing such a good event in Indonesia.
It was a wonderful experience we had at Indonesia. That we got, we also associated with this event from the side of IIIE, Indo International Industrial Expo, to be happened at Cochin from December 13 to 15. Already we got confirmed 2 delegations, one from European and another from Korea. And really it was an amazing experience we had here. I would like to invite you all for the event. See you there at Cochin. Thank you.